We're here at the foothills of Daisy Mountain. Good chill spot. It's about to be sunset at 6:45. There we go. It's 6:32. So we are about 10 minutes from sunset. So we're going to do something a little different today. We're going to fly in VR. What does that mean? Well, it means this. Am I beautiful? I definitely could connect my phone to this and use YouTube and the internet browser, maybe like put a movie or something on. I'm just not going to do that right now because I don't want my video to get taken down. We're going to do a rooftop takeoff. Better get a shot of it taken off, huh? How am I going to do that? Oh, I know. I'll just stand here. And you know what's funny? Wow, look at that beautiful sunset. If anyone saw me out here, they'd probably just think these are drone goggles. Cool. Oh yeah, this is cool. It'd be really, really neat if I could toggle to the view of the drone or have it pipped. That would be so cool. Oh wow, look how neat that looks. So my plan is to put the drone way out there and find a really cool spot to get a time lapse. Oh wow, you can see the moon, the sunset. There's such a wide range of colors, it's kind of blown out on my headset. It's funny, see how there's zebra stripes on the sun? And then when I look at it, it's pretty much the same in my headset. That's funny. So the thing is with these headsets is you can use them and wear them outside, but you got to be careful if you take them off, because if the sun hits the part where your eye is, better turn around and make sure I'm not running into a mountain or anything. If the sun hits the part where your eye is, it's kind of like a magnifying glass and it will basically damage the screen. Even though this mountain looks close, it's not that close. It takes a while to get over there. So my goal is to just get far enough away. It's 6:41 sunset. Wow, so I literally have like 6 minutes. And let's see. Alright. As soon as I get past this mountain, this little mountain at least. Alright. So hit the lock to lock the course. Set your exposures. That's how you do hyperlapse. I have the volume pretty low, and you can see the photos there. If you ever need to do the volume, it's this. You swipe down from the top, and then you tap that bar. You have to want it. And then bam, there's where you got your, that's not it. Where is it? There you go. You double swipe down. And you can do your volume and brightness. But what the heck was I just at? I think we just found a new secret together. Was that my height adjustment? Or was that, what was that? Double tap the top? That's cool. Oh, that's so cool. Because the other day I was trying to fly over a mountain. How high can you go? Nice. 16. I have been looking for a quick way to get to that. That's super neat. Double tap the top. Swipe it away. Wow, that was great. And this is still going on. Keeping an eye on that. Nice. Cool. So there we go. All right. So we're going to do something. This is cool. I'm just checking out the footage that you guys probably just watched. And I can send this to my computer and put it in Adobe and edit it. Pretty cool. I would say once this pass through gets a generation or two better, and the headset not so ridiculously big, this will just be awesome all the time. I mean, look, I'm watching a video of me flying while I'm still flying. That's pretty cool. Wow, that looks good. And the audio is shockingly good. And this gives you an idea of how good you can see through here. Course lock. That's just the in headset audio, guys. I don't know why I don't see more people making VR content. This is cool. And it did a really good job at getting, mainly my field of view. Super cool. All right, guys. So it's getting down to the end here. The sunset is pretty much finished. It's taking its final 15 photos. It won't let me extend it any longer. You can normally press that little 1 second, but it tells you the battery level's too low. It doesn't like to live on the edge. It's actually out in front of me somewhere. Oh, there you go. It's all finished. Or it's in the last 5 photos. You can always end it early by just pressing that. There you go. All done. I can't see the ground at all. There we go. Cool. It's one or the other. You're either going to see the sky or the ground. It's like dealing with 2 dynamic ranges of, the actual camera and the drone, and then also whatever the dynamic ranges are of this headset and the cameras on it. Should be able to hear it soon. Oh, there we go. You can see me. Go cinematic. I need to slow my cinematic mode down. It's faster than I like even. Oh, I can't see that bush. Oh, I can see the light. I can't really see the drone from here. I don't know if you guys can. I can see a light. Right about there, I can make it out. How's the night mode? Was it sick? The light always looks cool. Think I can catch it with my hand like I normally do? The consequences are great. I barely got it. I wish there was an easier way to do that. I feel like when I flip it, it's dangerous. It doesn't work. Oh, look at that. I forgot to press record. Don't you hate when you forget to press record? At least we got it in here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Definitely get yourself a pair of these. I'll leave a referral link below. I think these are like $500 right now, but if you use Boy Math, I think you get a free $60 game and then maybe like $30, I think, of store credit or something like that if you use the referral link. So really, they're almost paying you to take it. Anyways, till next time. Hold on. I can't even see you guys. Till next time, thank you so much for watching. Nick Corona out. Peace.